What's going on, everybody? This is James Harris with Southside Dents and Cosmetics, coming at you today with a glue pull repair video on this 2023 Nissan Pathfinder hatch. I was talking with my buddy Mark last week, and we both were talking about glue pulling and how no one mentions that a little hand buff on your panel before you glue pull it can really help with adhesion. So, give you guys a live look really quick. We're going to give this little hand buff, measure our tab. That tab looks great. And we're going to get some glue on this thing and do our first pull. So here goes our glue. You just set that right in the center of the dent and then grab the mini lifter, and you're just going to see a bunch of arm. You're not going to see very much pulling here at all because I'm really poor with a tripod. But there you go. A lot of arm. Trust me, I just gave this mini lifter a little squeeze, and you can already tell that metal is nice and high for us. A little bit of denatured alcohol just to kill the adhesion. We're going to pull the tab off and pull the glue off, and you'll see how high this metal is actually sitting. What we've basically done is flipped our dent inside out, so we're just going to tap this down. I sped the tapping up like 4 times just to make this go a little bit faster, but we're really just looking at the lines where they pinch together and try to tap them down straight again. Go ahead and switch sides, look at it from this side, take a quick water break while we look, and everything looks good. So we're going to give this a little polish to remove our tap down marks and take a look at what the final product is. And there you go. She's right as rain again. No dent in sight. Just like that, she was gone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you learned something.